Are you tired of back pain or discomfort after long hours of work? The Martunis Ergonomic Office Chair might just be the game changer you've been searching for. I've been using this chair for weeks now, and let me tell you, it's packed with features that you didn't even know you needed. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this chair is an absolute must-have for your workspace. This is the Martunis Ergonomic Office Chair, designed to provide ultimate comfort, back support, and productivity. It combines sleek design, premium functionality, and durable materials to transform your work from home or gaming setup. Whether you're spending hours at your desk or enjoying your favorite game, this chair is built to support you. We've all been there, those chairs that look great but make your back scream after a few hours, or chairs that are functional but ruin your workspace aesthetic. The Martunis chair solves both these issues. It's stylish, highly adjustable, and genuinely supports your posture. Ever since I started using it, my back pain has drastically reduced, and I'm far more productive. Here's what makes this chair exceptional. Adjustable lumbar support that cradles your lower back perfectly. Customizable armrests that align perfectly with your sitting position. A breathable mesh back that keeps you cool and comfortable during long work days. And a recline and tilt mechanism that lets you recline up to 130 degrees for ultimate relaxation. These features are designed for you, ensuring you work smarter, not harder. Before I started using this chair, my workspace felt like a source of discomfort. I'd get up after just an hour with back pain. But now my desk feels like a productivity zone. I can work longer, focus better, and even relax while gaming. This chair truly delivers. Now you might be wondering, is it really worth the price? Let me tell you, it's more than worth it. This chair is an investment in your health and productivity. The build quality is outstanding, and it's designed to last for years. Plus, assembly is a breeze. I had it ready to use in just 20 minutes. This chair has over 1,000 glowing reviews on Amazon, with buyers raving about its comfort and value for money. One user even called it the best ergonomic chair under $300. That's some serious praise. Still on the fence? Click the link in the video description for direct access to buyer reviews on Amazon. Read real experiences from others who've purchased and love this chair. And if you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a serious workspace upgrade. Your support keeps this channel going strong. Here's a fun challenge. Let's hit 1,000 likes on this video. If we do, I'll review a premium standing desk next. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried ergonomic chairs before? What's your favorite feature in a chair like this? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Remember, comfort is the foundation of productivity, and the Martunis Ergonomic Office Chair has you covered. Treat yourself. You deserve it. Stay awesome.